The Tab S6 won a place in our hearts in the last year, and it's still one of our favorite devices together with the Tab S6 Lite. We hope that you have seen all our reviews on the Tab S6 and the Tab S6 Lite, and we certainly tried to walk you hand in hand through the purchasing process. In today's video, we are going to briefly look at the Tab S6, but also announce a giveaway. In today's video, we are going to briefly touch on why the Tab S6 is so wonderful and announce how you can win the Tab S6. We absolutely encourage you to watch this video all the way to the end. And that's for two reasons. Number one, you need all that juicy information on how to win your Tab S6. But number two, and more importantly, if you do help us by watching this video all the way till the end, it has a better chance of being picked up by the YouTube algorithm, which means we could reach our goals quicker, which means the Tab S6 will be in your hands more rapidly. So by watching all the way to the end, you are helping your chances, but you are also helping the channel grow.
Look like you winning, or look like you always be working. Soak in the moments you live in, yeah.
I wanted to start a bit different here today, and this is the Geekbench results for both versions, for the 6GB of RAM as well as for the 8GB of RAM. And we've done that Geekbench many times, and you can see that the one on the bottom, by the way, oh yeah, this one here with the awesome wallpaper, this is the one you will get. You have to download the wallpaper for yourself, but the bottom one is the one we put up for the giveaway today with the good results. And here it also comes with Android 10 and the One UI 2.1, which we really like. And just to showcase you the Tab S7 results we also have in our previous video, we compared that with the 8GB of RAM model. Yeah, there is a difference of course, but you still get a good deal on the Tab S6 today. And the one thing I always appreciated about the Samsung Tab S6 or Samsung tablets in general, when they come with the S Pen is included, and that is pretty cool because for other manufacturing like Apple, you will have to pay $100, and that is all included. So really that makes it so much more attractive to people, and you know, I just like it. We seem to get a lot of questions with productivity, but also for video editing, and the Adobe Rush application is very heavy on the Tab S6, but we managed to get a video done for YouTube, and that is our Unpacked event in February. We managed to cut and edit the entire video on the Tab S6. That worked fine, and you can download the Adobe Rush application from the Galaxy Store, not the Play Store, Galaxy Store. Number one prerequisite is to hit the 15,000 subscribers mark. And hey, stay with me, stay here. And you may think this is so far away, but it really isn't. We're at 11-ish now. We would hit the organic growth by mid-August approximately. However, I want to pull this forward. I want to pull this forward to the 5th of August, ideally before. Reason being is that Samsung has the virtual Unpacked event on the 5th of August. So I want to kind of do two giveaways to say thank you. I want to do the Tab S6 giveaway. Now we hit the 15K subscribers, whether that be before August or mid-August, we will do this anyway. But the caveat on top is if we hit it before the event happens, then I will also do a giveaway for the Tab S7 that just came out and everybody hopefully wants. And I know we are different. We try different things and we experiment with our videos, and that's just what we are. We don't want to follow the normal YouTube stream out there. A lot of people out there are still watching our videos without subscribing to the channel, and I really want to get you on board. I want you to come on board here with us, and I want to showcase you that we have more in store for you. Gaming is of course no issue here. You can see Asphalt 9 really working well, but we also have our really universal Fortnite test, and the Galaxy Tab S6, the one with the 8GB of RAM, does 60 frames per second easily. And here are some sample pictures taken with the Tab S6, and I don't really know how many people take pictures with their tablet. Usually we use our phones, but it is good to have the camera or a good camera to scan documents.
Ultra wide angle camera also works in video mode, which is kind of cool. And hyperlapse is another feature that is included in the camera app as well as in the Pro feature.
Here we go, guys. In order to win the Tab S6, we need to hit the 15K subscribers, but that is easily achievable with your help. Number 2, like this video. Number 3, drop a comment, a good comment. Number 4, be engaged with future videos, and we will choose randomly out of the comments. And you guys, good luck to you. I really want to see the picture with you holding this Tab S6 in your hands. couple of improvements I would like to see. The number one improvement is the keyboard. The keyboard case that comes or you can buy additionally to the Tab S6 is not the best, so hopefully that will improve with the next iteration. And here you can see some slow motion for the S Pen and the lock for the Tab S6, all in line. We did all these tests 1,000 times. It works well. It has that super crisp AMOLED screen. This is one outstanding feature I absolutely love. Thank you guys for watching this brief Tab S6 revisited video. Stay safe, be careful, and best of luck to all of you.
I never made the